Hi guys, enter app name, select category and click on next. If you want, you can add your website here. Now select the design as per your needs. And click on next. In this tutorial, we'll tell you how to add product scanner feature into your app. Now add Pocket Toots page into your app. If you want, you can change the page name from here. From here, you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline icon or image from our library, or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now click on Product Scanner Feature to add it into your app. Enter product scanner name in the title field. Here I am entering scanner. Now enter Firebase data URL. You can follow our how to obtain your Firebase data URL tutorial to obtain Firebase data URL. Here's how your Firebase data URL will look like. Next comes entering database name. Now click on Add Record button and proceed to Dashboard for adding records into the database. This is your product scanner dashboard. Click on Add New button. A pop-up window, Add Item will appear. Provide mandatory information such as item name and barcode. Now select action type, external URL, internal pages, or associated data. You need to provide external URL which your app users will see when they scan this item. If you select internal pages, you need to select the specific app page where you want to redirect your app users when they scan this item. In associated data action type, you need to enter field type and field name. Here I am selecting action type as external URL. Now enter the external URL. Once done, click on Save to continue. Or you can save product information, which will be displayed to app users when they scan this item. From here, you can edit this item listing. If you want, you can delete this item listing from here. Again, click on Add New button. Enter item name and barcode. Now select action type. This time I am selecting internal pages. Now select the page that you want to link this item with. Once done, click on Save button. Click on Add New button once again. Enter item name and barcode. Now select Associated Data as action type. Enter field type and field name. Here you can provide complete information about the item. For example, here I am entering field type as product type and field name as digital camera. Click on Add More button to add more information about the item. Here I am adding a field type as color and field name as black. In a similar way, you can add multiple field types and field names to describe the item, like I am adding field type as digital zoom and field name as 4x. Field type as company and field name as ABC, etc. Once done, click on Save button to continue. Now go to Import Export section. From here you can upload CSV file or export database in CSV or XLS file format. To know the functionality of our product scanning feature, check out our How Product Scanner Feature Works tutorial. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.